everyone, welcome to the stream. This is my technically first day of streaming, and as you see, this is the app that I have built. It is called Nexa, an AI workspace or super app that I can call it. So I'm gonna build it. I have launched its free beta. I'm looking for some people to find online, some users to test it. So today my goal is to have, if I'd be able to find at least 10 people, that would be great. Even less than that also, I'm gonna be happy. So I'm gonna build, work on that one, improve it as I stream, and also if anyone come and interested and ask me any question, I can showcase the Nexa as well. So thank you and welcome, guys. So I'm gonna focus on building. If anyone join and ask me any question, I will be happy to answer. Salam Malajan. Welcome. Hi. Excuse me. Sorry. Hi, brother. Welcome. How are you? Welcome to the stream. Have you tried Nexa, right? I think I have your name in the Discord. Balta? I used that for the while, but yeah, it's okay now. It's updated. I think you have not tried the latest version of it, so I very encourage you to try. I'm gonna roll out the next version tonight. After I think I have some works to do. As you see, this is the dev version that I have. I'm gonna send the update tonight. This version 27, because right now we have the 26 on the site. And then you can update it and you can try. I have changed a lot of stuff. For example, as you see, the new thread system. How is the music? Is it loud? Too loud? Can you hear me? As you see, the new update has the new thread system completely, and it's very useful. It is very far better than what we have. So this is the one that you're gonna get tonight, and also a lot of fixes. As you see, the chat is very clean right now. I have built. Okay, great. I have built the new chat system that, as you see, that I try to keep the chat as clean as possible and removed all unnecessary stuff. When the AI is working, it's just gonna give you something like this, one line each step, a clean process, what it's doing. And once it's done, it's gonna give you a proper what was wrong, then what it fixed, and then before and after example as well. And also the card is also very clean. So I try to make it as clean as possible as well. Do you have a Windows version or you have the Mac version of Nexa? Which one do you have? So this is the Windows version that I'm using right now. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you, brother, thank you. It means a lot. Even testing it, you were the first guy that gave me feedback. So I really appreciate it. And I'm thankful for each and every one of you guys. I'm so happy we got 70 downloads, and it's unbelievable for me, which is amazing for me, because honestly no one knows me. And also the reason I started streaming as well, that there was not any platform that I could showcase the Nexa for everyone, to show the full potential of it, because everyone is so skeptical in the discords. As you see, people judging by just looking at the app and says, oh, it is another AI builder, but they have not even installed it and tried it, or they just installed the first version, which I know it was broke, especially the Mac version. But hey, even Apple or any big companies software is also most of the time broke, so right. On the Saturday I work on for 12 hours. on the hackathon. Hey, thank you so much. Honestly, the latest version is the one that I'm gonna push the update tonight. Is gonna be even more cleaner and more amazing, as you see right now. Look at the thread. We have very clean thread, and also the projects. This is the root that I'm working on it. But if I go to local project, I can switch without my work is stopping. There is no any issue. I can just switch between SSH and the local without any issue. So this is the local project that I have. If I clean it, for example, this one, right? So if I clean this project, as you see, what have changed, a lot of stuff has improved a lot, especially the thread. Now this is the project, for example, you just can even you can upload the project logo as well on it. You just need to click and then upload a logo. Any logo, for example, you want, we can just upload this image, and now your project will have the logo. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, brother, sister. I don't know, but hey, thank you. This is the day one that I'm showcasing my app, but I have been building the Nexa as you see right now. I have been building the Nexa. It's been 177 days. So it's been 177 days that I have been building Nexa. But this is my first day that I'm here in the public. I'm looking if I be able to get some beta tester users to come and try the Nexa. So it's free right now. I'm just trying to collect as many feedback as possible. Yeah, brother. As you see, now it got so much better. This is the project. Now you can upload your project's logo completely, like you just click and upload the logo of your projects. And also, I don't know you have tried or no, but as you see, if you come to the project management and you grab and drag it, you can now move your project on top, whatever project you want to be on the top. Or if it's on the bottom, you just click on the pen. It's gonna move your whole project on the top as well. And also, if you have, for example, multiple threads going on right now, you can also replace your thread as well, because this one is not started yet, but you can basically also change the position of the thread as well that you have. So these are the features that it has right now. Hey, cool, very nice one. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Hi, welcome everyone. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, today is my first day in this wipe coding community. I've been building Nexa since like more than 6 months ago. Or you can say like 6 months basically. I have a tracker on the site, as you see, a tracker. It's been 177 days that I've been building it. But today is my first day that I'm here showcasing for everyone that interested and wanna try it. It's free completely. And you can go and grab the first link in the description, rshai.dev, and just go to here and download for free, create your account. When you create your account, in the dashboard, you will see claim beta. Just need to click, and then you're gonna have the next one. Try for yourself. It's free. No credit card, nothing required for now. So you can give it a shot and give me a feedback. If you like, you can join it also in our Discord. I think I have link of the Discord as well in the description. Yes, we do have the Discord link as well in the description. You can join. So we have a small community in the Discord. This is our Discord right now. And we have amazing people joined us. Right now, 152 members we have. But I think 12 to 13 of these people are wipe coders. Others are from old members that I had from before. So I'm gonna post the link in the Discord, in the invite link in the chat. If you like, you can join me. I'm gonna pin the Discord link, I think. Rizmek, I think I can read your name. Hi, brother. Hello, hello. Have you done any security scanning if you could? Yes, I did. I did. Nothing is 100%. I don't know what do you mean by secure, but if you mean if it's secure to use it, yes, it is. You can try for yourself. But if you mean like no one can copy, I cannot guarantee that. If anyone want, they find a way, they can do it, you know. So that's there. Okay, and also Nexa has a great features, a lot of stuff. If you have any question, I can answer your question as well. As one of those features, it has a Nexa plan that you can manually set your plan, or you can ask your agent. It also track the plans here. It has a sidebar that you can add multiple project, and each project you same as thread kind of thing. You can add a thread. For example, I'm working right now on update 27, then I can have update 1.0.28. So this can be for my tomorrow, and this is for example for today's. As I do the task, I can list the task that I have to do, or for example also I can just later also I will update, and also I will start to see and check. I'm not gonna lose any track. So this is one of the features Nexa has. And also Nexa has a features I called Nexa Path. As you see, you can come here and you can describe your vision. What do you want to, for example, explain to the AI? You just create, okay, I want a landing page like this, and I want the hero be, for example, here the hero, and here should be a download, here should be FAQ, whatever. And then simply, just by, as you see here, click on the send, and then it's going to detect how many agent you have, and the one that you want. By one click, as you see, it's sent to composer of that agent, and then you can send it directly to the agent. The same thing that you can have as well for the plan. If you have a plan, or you want to write your prompt in advance, you just come here and send to the agent here as well. Same thing, it detect the agent name star. So each agent will get their name. As you see, this agent name is star. So you just can click and send, and it's going to send directly to the star. I'm not going to send right now because I'm in the middle of the task, but it has that feature as well. So, and also Nexa has, if your window is, for example, missing like this, you just go to organization and you will see different kind of layout, and you can choose between all of this layout, how you want the next hobby. For example, you can choose this, or you can just go and make it like this back. And then if you want, you like this layout, it can also do the opposite. So these are the features Nexa has for organization as well, if you like. So you can, and you can also maximize and focus, work, and then just minimize, or you just can close it. It's gonna be here the plan and also your path. If you need, you can pull it and you can work with it. So for now, I'm gonna put it here manually. I'm adjusting, and then I can whatever I want. It's fully customizable. Everything is in your hands, so nothing is locked. And also one of the features the Nexa has is, once the chat's very good, it's gonna tell you what is wrong, what was wrong, and then it's gonna what was the fix it did, and also it's gonna give you example of before and after what it did, how it's gonna work right now. And then this is Nexa task card. As you see, it's gonna give you exactly how many files it did. It says 11. If you click on the files, now you will see the list of the files as well, and you can click on each and every file and you will see the depth of it to the right side. And you can close. If you want to see all of it, you just click on the review, you will see all of it. Or if you want to see in this session or in this chat, how many file you did edit. You want to see rshai.dev, you just click and you will see everything here. And it has also line comment for AI. You just click on the plus and you will see whatever you want. You just directly send to the agent that you're already working with. These are the features all Nexa support. And Nexa also has editor, built-in editor, which I'm going to show you if I go to local in this project that I have right now. One of this project, for example. So this is the project that I have. I just click on editor. It's going to load me as well, the editor as well. And the editor also does support comment, and also highlight. Just click and then you can leave a comment, or if you have a chat already open, you just click and then you say, for example, what is this, right? It's gonna detect the chat that you have. This chat name is Sun, so it detect the Sun, and then you just click. It's gonna send to the Sun exactly the line that you highlighted. It's gonna even highlight from line 11 to 32 with that. It did send to the chat as well. So link in the description. First link in the description of this stream, rshai.dev. You can go and download and claim your free beta, and you can try it. As you see, the editor, the AI explained it, what was it. This kind of feature, if you need advanced working as well, it does support. Has built-in editor. If you want completely have a clean start point as well, you can just close everything and then you can open again, and it has minimized as well. You can minimize the chat, as you see. Even if it's like has a task going on right now, you can just click and then you can continue without any issue. So you can also manually adjust your workspace as well. Have a cool day. Thank you, brother. Welcome. Have you done any securities? Okay, I read it. Yes, I did the security IDs. Of course I did. If you don't like this theme, Nexa does support your custom theme. It has solid, it has max. If you click on the max, you're gonna get the maximum performance on your machine, because it will reduce all of unneeded animation. And also, if you do not like to have a glassy background, you can have this option. You can choose between max or solid. So, and also it has different panel colors. You can try to have whatever color you like. It does also support the light, which is the white one. It does support the dark, and also for the background you can choose from colors, as you see. And then you can also choose this sense as well for the background, or you can upload your own whatever background you like to have in the workspace. So these are the options available in the Nexa. You can try for yourself. You can have any background you like, you can have. So it's fully customizable. Even if you do not like the workspace to be in the right side, in the left side, excuse me, you can put it on the right side. You can just grab and drag into the right side, or you can put it in the bottom, or you can have it in the top. And also it can be collapse. Just click on collapse, then you can have a clean header as well. So these are the options. But I would like to have in the left side. So these are all options are available. Next task, I have to do the next task. I have to check. Okay, Nick, and also Nexa browser also has I built in 3 options for it, which is select element. If you want to directly, for example, want to send for your agent, you just, it has, when you open the browser, for example, the browser is closed, you want to open the preview that you built in the browser, you just click on the browser, and then it's going to show here all the project that you loaded in the workspace, and the one that it's already live, as you see, it shows Nexa preview. This is the project that we have. Just click, and then in the bottom you will see the select, annotate, and also full shot. It has select element, it has annotate, and it has also a screenshot. If you like, for example, click on the select element, you can select up to 5 elements at the same time. Just click, okay, I want this one, and then you hold your control or command on your computer, on your keyboard, and then you select the second one, you select the third one, you select the fourth one, and the fifth one. So now you just click send. It's gonna send on your composer, and then you write whatever you want, the AI change or redesign, and it's gonna send directly. And also it has annotated, very nice. I think it had a bug. I was working on it. You click on the annotate, and then you want to have a select element plus a screenshot of that section, right? You just click on whatever element that you want to point it. You just click on that, and also, as you see, now it's already taking a screenshot of this size, but you can increase, and also you can decrease, you can resize the screenshot as well that you want to have. Now this one is with a screenshot and also with the element that you selected. And also you can just, for example, type and leave a comment for it, and you can just whatever you like, you can highlight, you can mark, you can draw, all kind of stuff, and you just need to send on the chat. Just click one, and it's gonna send on the chat your screenshot plus the select element of that target area. And for the agent, it's gonna be so easier to work with it. Agents just click, and then you just need to send in the composer, and then agent will know, okay, what do you want exactly. So it's very far better than if you take a screenshot only, if you take only the screenshot. So this way is going to be way better. And also it has built-in screenshot support as well without any element. Just come here and you go to full shot, and it already taken a screenshot. You just click. Now your screenshot is in the composer. Or if you do not like to have a full screenshot, you are in the screenshot, you are in the screenshot, you just select, okay, I want only this part to be a screenshot. It's gonna take a screenshot on that part. You just send. As you see, it took only that part a screenshot. These are kind of features the Nexa browser, and it is annotate, select element, and also full shot built in the browser itself without any external tools that you have to use for taking a screenshot as well. These are the features. It's going to be available in the next update that I'm going to rolling out tonight. So this feature will be included on the update that I'm going to rolling out tonight. I'm going to send it the new update. Maybe when I said tonight for me, but for the people that living in the US, it's going to be maybe in evening. So this is I'm gonna rolling out tonight as well. The new thread system, new project management. You can just easily just, you know, um, can just drag and drop, change the positions of your project. If you have multiple thread, you can also as well you do when you move your mouse, how on that time it has all the features: rename, archive. Even you can, for your project, you can upload that project's logo as well, like I did here, that you not get confused, okay, which project that I was working on it. All these kind of features are available. As you see, it supports both local and also SSH path. If you have a VPS or server, you can easily manage from Nexa without interrupting. If you're working on the local, the SSH will not interrupt the local. If you're working on the SSH, the local will not interrupt. Like, it's not like Codex or others that you have everything mixed in one position or in one place. If you go now, if I go to the SSH that I'm testing right now, you see that completely the workspace is different. Now if I go back to local, it is different. I can have multiple projects open here. I can have focus on one project, or I can work on multiple projects at the same time. And also it has a board. If you have multiple threads already like working or active, you don't know which one is done, which one is not done. You just click on the board, and then it's gonna show you here all of it. That okay, right now there is no active thread. If there was active or a task done, it's gonna show you here idle, done, running, or need you. If any thread or any agents need you. So these are also available here in the board section as well. So if you have any question, guys, you can ask me. I'm here to answer. And also, if you want to try Nexa for free completely, first link in the description. It's gonna take you to rshai.dev on this link, and then you go to, it's gonna take you here. You just click, and then you can create your account and download Windows and both Mac Silicon and also Intel supported. You can download, and then from the dashboard you can try claim your beta, and then you can try it for free completely. It's gonna give you a code for activation, and then you can just put it on your download it. It use your own subscriptions. If you're using Cloud Code, Codex, whatever, Grok or Kimi, it's using that. So without you need to have any other accounts or anything. So if you already have Cloud Code account or Codex, you can use it. And it does support chat. And also if you do not like chat, it also does support. For example, this is my project. I want to click on the plus. You will see terminal. So this terminal is like Windows terminal, but it focused on that project already without you need to mention. But if you do not like, you can close, and then you can close the chat. So just click on plus and you go to chat. You can have all of these options are available: Codex, Cloud Code, Grok chat, and Kimi chat. And if you like to work on terminal CLI version, you just click on the CLI. You will have options, for example, Codex or Cloud Code. You just open Cloud Code or Codex, and then it's gonna launch the CLI version as well. So you're gonna have the CLI version as well. Or if you want to have a clean chat interface of Cloud Code, the same thing, you click on the plus of that project, you click on the chat, and then open Cloud Code chat. You just have now a Cloud chat open. All the models are available, and even the legacy. You will have Opus 8 as well, 4.8 and 4.7. These are all available. And then I'm gonna show you, maybe it doesn't look very nice. I can have it a solid version to show you properly. It has all the effort levels available, and then also it's also showing. You don't need to go to check your usage. You can just check your usage in the chat, click, and it's gonna show you, okay, this is cloud code. 40%, for example, for me shows that my weekly limit I used 48% and left 52%. And even it's gonna show me my Fable weekly limit and also my 5-hour limit. So this is a little bug that I noticed. I have to fix it because the color is not very nice. So this is also available. And also when you say hi, then it's gonna, once the agent reply, it's gonna also update the context as well, that you will see. As you see now, it shows from 1 million, it shows, okay, now you have 964k context available as well. Everything is gonna be visible in the chat that you need. Also, Nexa has, if you guys are ready, I'm gonna showcase to you. Please stay for a few seconds, don't leave. Nexa has browser use, and it's very capable browser use. I want to show you. You open, for example, any chat, a Cloud Code or a Codex chat, and then you open a chat, right? I'm gonna close the CLI version as well that I want to showcase to you properly. Then you click on this composer options. As you see, it has agent mode. If you turn on the agent mode, now the agent mode control the whole Nexa environment for you. You do not need to say anything else, do anything else. You can see, for example, I say hi, open the browser, and then nav to rshai.dev and review the site how it is. If you ask something like this, you want the agent to review visually your browser, you just active the agent mode from here, from chat, and then you give it a task, and then you will wait and see, okay, how the agent mode will work. Now we're gonna wait. Now we're gonna wait and we're gonna see how it's gonna perform. As you see, it did open the browser. My hand is here, I'm not touching, and you will see the visual of it as well. I'm gonna increase a little bit the size of the browser. You will see whatever the agent sees, you will see. Now the agent, this mouse is the agent mouse. It is not my mouse. So now the agent is browsing, checking for you your website. As you see it clicking, checking the light mode, the dark mode. It's gonna go all the pages, whatever you say. Now I just said to review it. You see my prompt is very generic, but if you have any specific request, you can ask it, and you just go to do, and it's gonna check the pages, scroll down. As you see now, I don't do it, the agent is doing. It's scrolling down, checking, and then it's gonna give you a report. Okay, what is good, what is bad, what is ugly, everything you're gonna have in the browser use of Nexa. I'm not gonna say a lot, but it's very clean and it's very useful. If you need especially help to have an agent to review your website without you have to send it a screenshot, like, oh, this, now check this, now check that. Just need to tell Nexa browser use. It doesn't matter. Cloud Code can do, Chat can do, Codex can do, Grok can do. All this supported your own account. You just need to have your own subscription. So you can try and you can test it, and the browser uses very nice. It's very nice and smooth, and I can say it's very amazing. So if you are new here, if you have any question, you can ask me, or you can like the stream. I want this live we get to our target goal for the day is to get 10 users from YouTube to try the Nexa for free. 10 beta users, I can say, beta testers. So as you see, the agent review done. I it did check everything. Now it's gonna give me a feedback. Like it says, okay, what is working, what it need to be fixed, and then any site, any website, you can ask it. It can do. But if you already loaded the project on the Nexa, you ask it, then you ask it, okay, now I want you to implement. It's gonna implement everything, or you can read it, what it says, what it doesn't say, what it does, what is good, what is bad. So you will see everything, and then you take your own decisions. So the browser use is very useful, and also other stuff as well. Nexa has that I'm gonna show you. If you have any question, Nexa also has Nexa Media, and the Nexa Media is very good and useful if you have this. If you want to create thumbnail for your YouTube, or if you want to create a logo for your website, Nexa has a mode. You do not need to close anything, but if you want, you can close. The reason I close because I want to show it cleanly. As you see in the top, there is 3 section. Computer use and the Mac is not working properly because I need to make it optimized, but in Windows it's working very, very nice. And it has code, media, and computer. We just click on the media, and then as you see, I created a thumbnail. This thumbnail that I created, I used Nexa. So I will open the chat, enable, open, okay. There's another chat is open, says. If it's a back, okay, now it's working. So this is Nexa Media as well. It has code, it has media. So we are now in the media section. We can ask it, for example, we can ask it, hi. As you see here, you can choose what kind of type of image you want, 4K, 8K, whatever. But by default, it's on full HD. And then you can choose whatever size you would love to have, or format, PNG, GPT, or whatever. And then you can ask it, for example, hi, create a new logo for Nexa, for example. So all of this is working with your, if you have a Codex account or GPT account, it's working with that without you need to have any extra stuff. So as you see, it has a media as well. And if you click on the top preview, you just need to click. You see, this is the, this is the thumbnail of this live stream as well. I created with the Nexa media as well. So you can ask it, it can create for you thumbnail, logo, whatever. It used the ChatGPT image Gen 2. So this is how the media is also working. It has the code mode, media, and computer. And computer uses, it will control the whole, how can I say, your whole screen, all your computers. I'm gonna also show you, if you're interested, I'm gonna show you how that works as well. As you see now, it did create for us a new logo for the Nexa. And then it's gonna show you in the chat, also in the preview. You can click and open, and you can see, you can zoom in, you can see it, and you can download. If you like, just download, it's gonna save. If you do not like, then you can ignore. This was the media. This is also using your Codex account without you need to have any extra API key, nothing. You just connect your Codex, and it's gonna using your Codex account for creating media as well. So this is how the media section works, but mostly we will focus on the code mode. So this is uh, the next on the code mode as well. So if I go here back, I have a comment that I have to fix it. This was the one that I needed to fix, right? Yes. this is how I track my task that I work. Right now I'm using Nexa. I'm polishing Nexa itself. Whatever task I do or I have, I will list, and then once it install, I update, and then I'm testing. Okay, that's why I have a note in Nexa plan that I have for the new update. It's dropping tonight, and then I'm listing all of my tasks, and then I don't know why I do not have any new comment or questions. This is how I track my task on Nexa plan, bro, guys. Welcome everyone, welcome to the stream. So this is Nexa, the AI super app that I've been building since, as you see in the website, I got the track of it. 177 days. With today I am in 178 days that I'm building this app. And today is my first day technically after I built and I dropped the demo. Right now it is on free beta, not demo. So you can go and grab your seed and try it for free. And I have been building since 178 days. You can say technically 6 months. And today I'm here to find my 10 beta user from YouTube. I already have, I launched it on 16th of this month, like 12 days ago. I already found about 33 people, and I have 70 downloads already, but I would love to get more feedback from community from YouTube as well. So that's why I'm live today and showcasing Nexa. And if you're interested to try a new coding app, you can download and try Nexa. It's free. And then you can give me your feedback. How is Nexa, how it feels, and where I can improve it. Which part did you like or which part you didn't like. So this is how you can organize. If you have stuff like this going on, messy, just go to organize and you have all kind of different options available. It's not hard coded, but it's like based on your environment, and then you can just click and it's gonna automatically for you route it, and then you can grab and you can replace as well if you want to have your chat here, preview there, and then you can have all this kind of customization ability as well. So it's very customizable workspace, and you do not need to be locked on one workspace. It has a very clean customizable workspace. Once it's done, as you see, whatever file it edited is gonna tell you. You click and you will see those files, and you just click. It's gonna open the depth of it for you. Everything is, I try to keep it as clean as possible. And this is Iris chat. It says it's not talking like a lot of nonsense too much. It's gonna tell you what was wrong and what it fixed. Example of before and after. So it's very useful, and it has a lot of stuff as well. For example, you're working on a project and an agent gave you a plan, right? And you want to have a second opinion. Usually what we do, we go and copy, and then we go paste a new chat or a new thread, or we asking it. But here in Nexa, you do not need to do that. Imagine this is the plan. You just need to highlight. If you want to ask part of it from same agent, before you had to copy and paste. Now you just highlight and you will see add to the chat. You just click, it's automatically adding to the chat the same area that you highlighted, and then you can ask from the agent. Okay, otherwise, if you want to have a second opinion from Codex or Grok or Kemi, you just need to highlight, and then you will see ask in a side chat. You click on a side chat, then asking you, okay, which one? Codex, Cloudcode, Kemi, or Grok. For example, I say, okay, Codex. I click. As you see, a new floating chat open, which is Codex, and you can even control from here which model you want to review. And then you just, oh, there is a bug that I have noticed right now. The reasoning of it is in the back. So this is how you can ask from the side chat, and this chat is completely, it doesn't know the context of what was. But if you want it to be a full chat, you just click on the full. Now it turned to a new chat here. And if you want to close it, you can just close it. That's how the chat works. The side chat works, excuse me. So now I have to, as you see, a minute, that has issue. Welcome everyone. If you have any question, anything you want to know, you can ask me. I will be happy to answer you guys. Today is my first day. I did one time a stream, like I think a month ago. I did one time a stream. On that time the product was not ready. So today is technically my first day that I'm trying to find 10 beta user to test Nexa. Hi, Mr. Pesco. Welcome, brother. How are you? Welcome everyone. I will close. It's too much right now. Okay, 3 minute chat for the And also Nexa is very customizable. If you want to have a different UI, it has appearance setting here in the top, also in the setting available in the setting, but here in the top left headers, you just click and then you choose your own whatever colors that you like. Not whatever colors, but there's a few options are available. You can choose, and it also has a max. This one is the one that it's gonna be produce a lot of animation stuff, gonna get the best of your PC or computer. And then it has options of solid and it has glass. So this is the glass option available right now, and for this you can have and for this you can have a background. There's a few scenes available already built in. For example, this one, these are available so that you can have when you're working. If you like a glassing environment, working with it. But if you you wanna upload your own background, you just click, and then you can, like me, you can upload your favorite background as well, as you see right now. And you can minimize your chat. Even it's working, doesn't matter, it's gonna keep working without any issue. But if you like to have, for example, if you want to have, you do not like the glassy, you can switch to max. I recommend, but it's still you will have your background. If you want to have background in your workspace, it's still available. But if you do not like it, you can remove it, and you can choose any background from available background in the Nexa itself, or you can have a color, any color available here that if you like. It is completely, like I can say, customizable workspace. The way you like, you can customize it. You can have a black theme as well if you like. Come on guys, go grab your free version of Nexa. It's completely for free. We haven't moved from 70. Come on. It's free. So you can just try it for yourself if you like. It has 14 days free beta right now. We are in beta, as you see. So, and also I have only 19 sets available from 50. 31 is already claimed. So have only 19 sets available right now. It's completely free. You can try for yourself. If you have any feedback that you want to see something better, anything is missing that you want to have any workspace, you can join in our Discord. Link is in the description of this video, and you can give me feedback, any feature request. So we have a small community built there, and you can join that community. And Nexa support both SSH and also local, both supported. And then you can have you can also drag and drop, resize, reposition your thread, also your your projects. You can do all this kind of stuff, and you can just directly delete your thread if you do not like, or you can just archive it, and it's gonna go to history, and then you click on the history, and you will see now it is on the history. So there's a lot of cool stuff available if you like to work with an AI workspace. I'm extremely happy about today's response for the YouTube live stream. I cannot believe, I thought maybe one people or two people will join me or not. I was not sure about it, but I said, okay, let's do it. I'm happy that I have you guys here with me, and I'm thankful for that. And this is also the task stream card the Nexa has when it's working. It's very manageable. Your chat will be clean always. There is no like other chat that you will have to find what the AI did. You're gonna get one line, clean one line, not more than that. that what it's doing, a kind of live report or commentary. And then if you want to see what it did, which file it checked, you can just click and you can start to looking, and then you can start to go and checking what it did, what it didn't. So all these are, and also it's gonna count and show you the task token that it used, the file that it checked, the tools, everything's available clean. And then once it's done, it's gonna report you completely what was wrong. It's gonna tell you what it fixed. It's gonna tell you, and also before and after example as well is gonna tell you. So the chat is very clean. I can say it's one of the most, I don't wanna like, how to say in English, but bargain? No. I don't want to say too much, but you can try for yourself. It's very good. It's very good. I can say that. And also Nexa does support multiple chat, multiple CLI if you are using. At the same time, if I go to local, I can show you an example. Like I have a project, this project that I have, I can just click on the in the project I want to add like multiple chat. I can click and then I go to advanced. Even if I don't want to go to advanced, it still does support, but it's gonna be a little bit faster. I go to advanced and then I choose my providers, for example all of it, and then I can have here options CLI or chat. I can have, okay, I want to have both or CLI version, and then I choose the layout that I want to it open, right? Any of this layout, and then I just click and it's gonna open for as much as your computer support. It's gonna open for you multiple CLI, multiple chat as well, as you see, and each and everyone will be supporting focus. If you like the chat that be in the focus, and if you want to see on the board which chat is doing what, this is running, this is idle, this is done, this is need you, everything it's gonna show you on the board as well. And also you can use multiple kind of organization for it. You can just reorganize, you can have something like that, and if you want to focus one chat, you can just replace it like this. So it's gonna be very useful. But if you want to, for example, close, you just need to select, you can close directly like this, or if you want to close, you can just select all of it and you can close everything at once as well. So all kind of capability that you would love to have in AI workspace, it's available here in the Nexa, and you can try it if you like. And you can delete your thread from here without any need to go outside and delete it. It's just gonna delete from your workspace to keep your workspace clean. So okay. Oh, we have an issue. and go back and also the Nexa chat does support queue. If you have multiple prompt, you can just send and it's gonna automatically it's gonna queue, for example, the one that I'm gonna send. Like you just send, and then after the image uploaded on the SSH, it's gonna send, and then in the local there is no issue, but in SSH it need to upload the image. My internet is a little bit slow, so it's gonna take a little bit time because the image quality is high, and then it's gonna send and it's gonna be on the queue of your already, because right now it's on the task, so it's gonna be on the queue. Okay, so max, I don't wanna have this. Can have multiple chat as well open and start working with it. I can use another shot because I don't want to wait for this one. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Sorry, my internet is not very good. Maybe my OBS setting is not also, I think it is on normal latency. It should be on the low latency that I have to be able to respond to questions as soon as possible. But right now, that's the issue that I have. Welcome everyone. Welcome again. Welcome to the stream. Welcome everyone, welcome guys to the stream, welcome. How are you guys? Welcome, welcome. Welcome everyone, this is Nexa, the AI workspace, or you can say ADA that I built. So this is the one that I'm also right now using Nexa, improving Nexa basically. So as I improve it. If I see anything is during when I'm using it, if I see anything is not working, it's broke. If I get reports on the Discord, as you see, we do have a Discord. You can join. We have 155 members of slow community. Everyone is not too active because maybe a few people are active, because the old Discord that I had around 140 people are from my trading community, so they are not very active on this one. But we do have a Discord. People are here, we chatting here and there and sharing updates, bug reports. As you see right now, future requests. If anyone has any requests for the features, they're asking me, then I'm gonna try to implement or build on the Nexa for them. And then if there is a bug reports, so I'm trying to solve it as soon as possible. So I would love guys to join our Discord community. And also, this is Nexa. You can try it, download it from rshai.dev for free. Right now it is in the beta, and you can download it and then you can test it. It is free. It has 2 weeks. I have only three more days for beta, and then the 7 days free trial will start. You can try it, and then you can give me feedback in the Discord if you would love to see anything. If you want to see something better, something is broke, something has issue, you can report me in the Discord. So you can join here for us, link in the description, and also in the chat. You can join me in the Discord. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask me. I can answer. Nexa has a lot of stuff that I can showcase to you guys if you like to see it. Nexa has built-in plan, which, as you see, I do track my own plan, my own task manually for each updates. And also the agent also can track it is work if you ask it, because I have not turned the agent mode on because I forgot it. But if you turn on the agent mode, and the next task, it start to gonna track its task here in the plan as well. So a lot of stuff that you can try and see in Nexa. So Welcome everyone. Welcome to this stream. If you're new here, my name is Riza and this is Nexa, as you see in the screen. This is what I have been building since. I can show you. It's been almost 6 months that I've been working on it. Today is 178 days. So this is what I built. And today is the first day in YouTube that I'm trying to find my first 10 beta testers users. So I already have users, but I wanted to try if I be able to see if I can find users from YouTube. So it has Windows, Mac, Silicon, and also Intel version supported. You can guys download free, and then you can go to dashboard, claim your free 2 weeks. Give it a shot, try it, give me feedback. Join in our Discord, link in the description and also in the chat. So I'm trying to build as well small community, vibe coding, and also building with AIs. I have a lot of stuff to share, a lot of experience since I've been building with every possible new AI that drop. So as you see, I've got quite experience I can share, and you also, maybe a lot of people be in the chat more experienced than me. You can share your journey with me and with community as well. So that is the mission. Hey brother, welcome. This is Nexa. This is AI coding workspace if you're building with AI. So this is Nexa. Some people call it ADA, Agentic Development Environment, and some people call it workspace, AI workspace. So I call it an AI super app, because this is not only just an ADA. It has a lot of stuff. It has computer use, it has browser use, and it has media, has so many things. It has agent mode. The agent will control the whole Nexa for you. A lot of stuff it has. So if you're new here, today is my first day streaming. Technically it's not my first day streaming, but I have a stream I think 1 or 2 days a few months ago or a month ago, but that time Nexa was not ready, but today it's ready. You can go, and link is in the description. You can go grab your free beta and try it for yourself. If you're like building, working with AI, you have a Cloud Code account, Codex account, you can try it. So you need your own account to using Nexa. It's a desktop application. You download, it's gonna be on your PC and you can use it. Basically harness. No, it's not a harness. Yes, it is if you say so. Some people call it maybe harness as well. I'm not gonna say it, it's not, but you, as you see, you can connect multiple providers and use it side by side, multiple chats, multiple CLI versions together. It has browser built in, it has editor built in. As you see, this is the browser built in. It has editor built in. It has a path that you can draw. If you have a vision, for example, you want to explain something to the agent, you can do it here. You can upload a screenshot. Imagine I upload, for example, this screenshot here, and then I can talk to it solve Eris issue wherever I see. I can upload a screenshot, and I can use the path to explain it. I want this, for example, this area has issue, all kind of cool stuff. I can mark, I can leave a comment, and then by one click, I just send from all these agents. We have 3 agents right now working, and then you can choose which agents do you want to send this to. You will see the name, and you just send. Once you send, it's gonna send to the composer of that agent. So it has path, and the path that not only you, if you do not understand the vision of the agent, you can ask it, and it's gonna also start to drawing it for you. Yeah, this kind of stuff it has browser. This kind of stuff Nexa has, and Nexa support. So you can have only chat if you want. If you can have with browser, with editor, it's kind of a complete AI workspace for coding. If you Okay, everyone. Thank you so much. It's been 2 hours. And thank you, everyone, for joining. I'm going to see you next time. Have a great day. Have a great time. And make sure try Nexa. Link is in the description. And also you can join our free Discord community as well. Link is in the description. Have a great day, everyone. Have a great time, great day, great night. I'm going to see you next time. Thank you.